Guys, here's another custom build 1974 Chevy C10 by Maisto. Very detailed, just recently got released. Very detailed. As you see, opens tailgate, front doors, and hood. Under the hood you have a detailed, I believe it's a V8 engine. What I've done is install working lights in it. Lights run off a 1.9-volt battery. On-and-off switch right here. The battery's hidden inside, so when you need to replace the battery, you have to remove 2 screws. One right here and one right here. I've marked them. Really easy. 2 screws, guys. Replace the 9-volt battery, good to go. This time I've used the soft white headlights, just like the car would have had back in the day, with the amber lights on the bottom. Install some interior lights so you can see the interior a little bit better. And on the back, install the working tail lights. All right, it'll be up on eBay. eBay name is 6877 Mercedes. But please ask all your questions before you bid. It does come with its box, so packed for safe delivery. And that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you very much.